G'day from the Bureau. Here's the weather wrap for the week ahead. On Saturday, a cold front moved across the southeast. That brought 10 to 25 millimetres of rain through South Australia and Victoria, and up to 50 millimetres for northern Tasmania. Across the nation at the moment, it is extremely mild, with many regions experiencing temperatures several degrees above their winter averages. Into Sunday, that weather system moves northwards through New South Wales and ACT, but it is weakening, meaning just single-digit rainfall totals expected in this area today. Further west, Saturday was a brief dry spell, and rain is now returning to much of WA before the end of Sunday. And that rain will spread into South Australia for Monday. Totals will be variable, 10 to 20 millimetres for many, but some spots will certainly push more than that, particularly in southern SA. Northern Australia is dry, but there are a few showers for northeastern Queensland. Hopefully not enough to delay any sugarcane harvesting. It's more good news for southern grain growers on Tuesday as another spell of winter rain moves in for Victoria and Tasmania, and the wet weather lingers over South Australia as well. After a brief spell of rainfall, things will dry up once again for Perth and the wheat belt. On Wednesday, we see the classic north-south divide that we see across the country in winter. Dry, settled and sunny in the north, but a mixture of low-pressure areas and fronts bring rain to parts of the south. For Wednesday, that includes South Australia and Tasmania. Into Thursday, rain pushes back across southeastern parts, including Victoria and New South Wales, and the rain really extends up into the interior. That will miss a lot of growing regions, falling instead over pastoral and outback areas, but it may make travel and access tricky across central Australia later this week. Do keep a watch on that weather system into Friday as it pushes into the eastern states. It currently looks unlikely to reach eastern growing regions, but wet weather will fall inland. Some cool conditions are established across the southeast. Keep up to date with the forecast this week on the Bureau website, and we'll see you again in the next one.